Wherever you go, when you think of the Scots, you think of many great things. The culture, the shining personalities, and bloody great whisky. Here's the tale of our Glen Breton. This golden liquor, this autumnal orange enriched with flavours of deep honeys and darker chocolates, fired through by spicy ginger, is the reason and the result. Born in Canada, our founders relocated our Scottish techniques, our original whisky stills, and our old country traditions across the open oceans, as well the recipes that turned heads and tuned tongues back home. Ours was the first single malt bottled in this new world, and we're still making history by changing absolutely nothing from our past, apart from adding Cape Breton's crystal waters, of course. We still don't buy into half measures or blends, so single malt it shall remain, and that's the reason it is never alone. Whisky should, when done our way, be a story that can be told over oceans, over rocks, over and over again, like our whisky is. Have a wee listen, why don't you? Please drink responsibly.